Guys, it's Python Cheese here again today, and we're going to do an unboxing video. I got home from work this morning, and yeah, my package came. It's the new, it's supposed to be the new Corsair, I can't remember what the case was called. It's a new PC case that came out. I think it's the clear 400C case, the compact mid-tower. So yeah, we're going to go ahead and open this bad boy up. So let me get a knife here. Box cutter, whatever you want to call it. Go ahead and sit down. I'm using my phone to record, so I don't have a real nice camera, so I'm gonna have to deal with it. Yeah, there it is. The Carbide series 400C. Should be the clear version. The side should be clear here. It got pretty good reviews already. I think it was like 4.5 stars out of 5. So, but it only had 3 reviews on it because it's new. So as time goes on, we'll get more reviews. But let's toss that out here. Let's get this bad boy out. Ugh. Sorry for the mess. I've been doing a lot of work in my room here. So, yeah, I've been messing with my desk and stuff like that, redoing everything. I've been kind of busy lately. So, I don't even know where I put my knife at. There it is. So, we're going to go toss that aside. I don't really have a stand for my camera, which sucks. But, you know, oh, I'm so excited for this. Next weekend I'm buying my motherboard, so, yeah. And then I'm gonna, sooner or later, I'm gonna get me an SSD. Oh, but for now I'm gonna have to wait. I gotta wait for the tax return next weekend. Should be here by next week at some point. So hold on one second. I have a better idea for you. I'm gonna go ahead and set that right there. I don't know if it'll work or not. Maybe not. Okay, whatever. It's kind of a mess in my room, like I said, so don't mind the mess. Alright. So, we don't need that, do we? No, I don't think so. Alright, let's set her up. It's cold out, so it's like freezing. Yeah, it's like, I think like 15 degrees right now, maybe so. Anyways, let's get some lighting up in here. So yeah, here's the new Corsair 400C case. It's gonna be for my new 5820K. Oh, which, one second, I'll show you the pieces that I have. Along with my trusty 980 that I got not too long ago. Yeah, there's my 980. It's already in my current PC now, which I'm getting rid of soon. Well, tossing the motherboard and getting rid of the CPU itself because the motherboard's junk. It was one of them cheap ones. It was like 40 bucks when I got it new. So yeah, there's the RAM, the specs on it. Oh yeah, that's beautiful. I think I paid like $95 for it. I can't remember. I was gonna do the eBay one that I found. It was like a ridiculous amount of gigabytes. It was like 32, I think. And then here's the Intel CPU. You can see it there. So yeah. Got all the parts. I've been buying parts little by little. So all I need is the motherboard. So yeah, here, we'll go ahead and look at it. Here's the top view, and this is actually, should come up, it's magnetic. Oh, that's really nice. It's for a dust filter. Only downside to it, I didn't really think about it until now, is there's no docking bays on the front. At least I don't think. I like the look of it and everything, so wow, that's kind of worrisome, but I don't think it's a big deal. Opens up way too easy. That's really smooth. It feels nice, but it kind of worries me. Yeah, that's the other computer I'll be getting rid of soon too. Hopefully, or I might just make it an idle PC or something, a home entertainment. I don't know yet what I'm doing with it. I think it's a Pentium or Celeron, I can't remember. This is my very first computer. That's all I know. But yeah, I'll go ahead and look at the inside. I'm running out of time here, so I gotta hurry up. There's the insides. Get some lighting in there for you, because I don't have very much memory left. Comes with some fans in the inside here, 2 of them, which I'll probably be replacing anyway. I'm gonna put 2 here, and then probably 1 in the back. I don't know if I'm gonna have any on the top. We'll have to see. But yeah, I'm getting the ASRock board, the Extreme 4, I think it is. I was gonna get the Asus one, then I saw some BIOS issues people were having, so I said, I'm not even gonna do it. So I'm just gonna go with the ASRock Extreme 4. I had good. This was the ASRock over here. My other one, I believe. Yep, it's a ASRock. But yeah, that's the insides. These should light up LEDs. The fans in there. And there's the top view of it, 3.0 or whatever, 3.1. What 3.0? I don't know. Power button. That's the front. The back. It's all simple and plain. Still really nice looking all around. I can't wait till it lights up and everything. So yeah. But yeah, you can, as you see, it opens up really easy. I don't know if that should be worrisome or not, but yeah, there's the where the power supply goes. So I'll be doing another video here soon, in the next probably like 2 weeks or so. So on this build. So yeah, look forward to that for my build. It'll be my 3rd computer that I've made, and you know, I've had help with the first 2, but you know, yeah, that's it. I just want to show you guys that the new Corsair Carbide series, Carbide, whatever it's called, series 400C clear. So yeah, has filament on it too to help protect it. I'm glad it didn't get scratched, because my Raid Max over here on my current PC, when I opened up the box, there was a scratch on the glass itself, or the plastic I should say. It was like right here in the middle. So, but I didn't return it or anything. I didn't really worry about it. But yeah, I'll let you guys go. Thanks for watching, and please like and subscribe to my channel down below. Thanks.